Hello, this is a review video for the Unified Mentor Private Limited mentorship and the internship offer that I received. And it was a data analyst internship, which was of 2 months. And throughout this internship, I learned how to process the data, how to analyze the outcomes, and how to effectively manage the data. And it was a great experience with Unified Mentor. One of my mentor was excellent throughout his course, and the project that I got through this internship was regarding the Olympic data, which I learned a lot new techniques how to actually analyze the data throughout graphs and pie charts. So I would highly recommend Unified Mentor, and I would like to thank them to give me this opportunity to have an internship in their company. So thank you.